Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the new Siri 2.0 on iPhone iOS 18, and you can enable Siri AI on your iOS 18. And it's really easy and simple, guys. I'm going to guide you through this step by step. So first things first, of course, you want to make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18. So before anything, check that your device is actually updated to iOS 18. So this is what you do, guys. Go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and if there is an update available, tap download and install. And then of course, guys, you want to enable Siri 2.0 and Siri AI features. So once your iPhone is on iOS 18, head over to settings and then click on Siri and search. All right, then just turn on the toggle for listen for Hey Siri to activate voice commands. This will allow you to use a Siri hands free. And then what you're gonna do, guys, is basically you want to set up Siri 2.0. If you haven't set up Siri yet, and or you want to retrain it, just tap on Setup Siri in the Siri and search menu. Then you want to just follow the on-screen instructions to speak a few phrases. This helps Siri recognize your voice and enhance its AI capabilities. And of course, guys, you want to explore Siri's smarter AI features. So Siri 2.0 actually brings a smarter, more personalized experience. You want to ask Siri for more complex tasks like, setting reminders based on your context, managing home automation, or checking your calendar. And Siri can now accurately, proactively suggest actions like reading your upcoming events or offering travel advice. And then you just want to open the Shortcuts app and just enable Siri shortcuts for quick access. So look, Siri 2.0 basically is all about convenience. So and with Siri shortcuts, you can automate tasks. So just open the Shortcuts app where you can create your own custom voice commands for different actions like controlling your smart home or launching a different apps. For example, you could say, "Hey Siri, start my workout," and Siri will automatically open your fitness app and play music. And of course, you can go ahead and test Siri's enhanced AI by, asking multi-step questions or requesting proactive suggestions. For example, what's the weather and my schedule for the day? And Siri will offer you more detailed and tailored responses thanks to its new AI engine. So I hope this guide was of assistance to you, and if you found it of any value, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.